Welcome back to Autowondr. The Hyundai Tucson has never shied away from pushing the envelope. And if the buzz holds true, the 2026 model is poised to raise the bar once again. Though official details remain closely guarded, the industry is already swirling with predictions of sharper design language, upgraded tech, and perhaps even a new approach to powertrains. From the outside, we can expect the 2026 Tucson to double down on the bold styling that made the current generation stand out. Speculative renders hint at a more sculpted front fascia, perhaps a reimagined parametric grille with integrated DRLs that flow even more seamlessly into the body. Thinner LED headlamps, a wider stance, and bolder lines could give it a sportier, more confident demeanor. Hyundai may also introduce new paint schemes and wheel designs, likely pushing the top trims toward a more premium aesthetic. Inside, expect refinement. A revamped cabin could include dual integrated screens, possibly a curved panoramic display that merges infotainment and gauge cluster into one sleek unit. Hyundai's latest UX could bring AI-enhanced voice control, multi-profile memory settings, and expanded over-the-air updates. Wireless charging, ambient lighting, and enhanced materials, think soft-touch surfaces and available suede accents, are likely to make the Tucson feel more upscale across the board. Under the hood, the 2026 Tucson is expected to retain its versatile lineup, including gas hybrid and plug-in hybrid options. However, rumors suggest a bump in performance and efficiency, perhaps a more powerful hybrid setup delivering up to 230 horsepower, along with improved electric-only range for the plug-in model. Hyundai's continued focus on sustainability might even hint at a mild hybrid version or a next-gen battery platform. Driver assistance tech is expected to get smarter too. The 2026 Tucson may debut an upgraded version of Hyundai's Highway Driving Assist, offering more semi-autonomous capability and even tighter integration with navigation and live traffic data. Pricing should remain competitive, starting around $30,000 and climbing to $43,000 for fully loaded variants. Launch timelines point to late 2025, with the first models hitting dealerships in early 2026. Confident, connected, and potentially more electrified than ever, the 2026 Hyundai Tucson could be one of the most forward-thinking compact SUVs in its class.